All right, so now we're gonna go over the dolphin. All right, there's different ways to do the dolphin. I'm gonna show you a couple simple ways. Easiest thing to think about is a push-up, actually, okay? So I'm here, I'm gonna start from a stand-up, put my hands on the floor, and really you wanna be comfortable with that, all right? So I suggest doing push-ups, all right? But you're gonna go down like this. Now to make it fancy, what you do, you see people tilt their head, chest through like a wave and bring it through like that, all right? That's the most, that's what I see. So you're here, and then you bring it back up. That's doing it from a stand-up coming down. So again, I'm coming from here, boom. So you wanna have the strength not to bust your head, all right? Because you can hurt yourself. So work on your push-ups first before you get the dolphin. But you can also come from here and you kind of just, and give a pseudo dolphin until you have the strength to really like exaggerate it and make that wave, all right? So one more time, I'm coming from here, like that. So I'll do that same dolphin from the spin down that we did earlier. So I spin, come through, and then you can have tons and tons of different things you can do out of it, all right? But remember, I'll do it from the back so you see this side. I'm here, I'm lowering myself down, start with my head, through my chest, through the body, right there. All right, and you can either pop back up, you can come down, you can corkscrew, bring it through, come around. You can even do another dolphin. So I come from here, boom, spin around, like that. And you'll see people jump sometimes as well. Jump into another dolphin, jump, jump. All right, but again, work on your push-ups because you don't want to jump into it, your arms give out, especially if you're at the club. Not good. All right, that's the dolphin.